Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tosh from Stack Trading. In today's video for trade of the day, we're giving it to Baba. Now, we had a lot of candidates lined up for trade of the day today, but Baba is really the one to take it home today because of the big breakout that it had today, the ease of the play and the huge reward that it was able to award us and our traders. So how do we play it? What was our mindset going into the play as Baba started to open this morning? So coming into the morning, we obviously knew of the news of China slapping down that harsh fine on Baba due to their monopolistic ways, right? And Baba actually gapped up. Baba was gapping up about 4 or 5% coming into the morning, and it was primarily due not because of the fine and the heftiness of the fine, because more oftentimes than not that would actually lead to a negative reaction of the stock. But the CEO Jack Ma pretty much came out and said that was a good thing, right? It was the fine could have been much harsher, or the penalties could have been much harsher, right? They could have essentially dismantled Baba, right? That was something that was on the table. So having a fine was considered a victory for the stock. And because of that, Baba has been having an amazing day. So we knew we wanted to get our hands on it. We knew it was going to be heavily traded. Pre-market action was pretty solid off of the gap up. So with that being said, as soon as the stock opened, we started to notice the bull flag happen during this pre-market session, where the highs were around close to 240, 239.90, and the low of the flag was somewhere around 235. So we wanted to see which direction Baba wanted to initially take before we started to look for longs, because we primarily had a long bias. So the opening 5 minutes, Baba did its thing, pretty much ping pong back and forth between a high of 239 and a low of 236.60. However, once Baba really started to trade back up above that 239 level, we got long. We said, hey, this is enough of a conviction for us. Let's go ahead and give this an attempt, because we know the potential reward if this starts to break out is extremely high, right? On the daily chart, Baba has been beaten up. Baba at one point was nearly $320, traded as low as 211, currently trading, today around 237. So we knew on the daily, it was primed for a breakout. And I do believe this is the first of many days to come soon that Baba's going to continue this rally. So as soon as it started rallying up to 240, 241, I took my profits as it shot above 240. It was my first trade of the day, and really just wanted to secure, some solid gains on the board. It was about a 15-20% return on the options contracts. But we had traders staying in this. We had traders sticking to some of the rules that we preach. Things like the bar by bar stops, or where they're waiting for extension away from the key moving averages, such as the 8 MA and the 20 MA. And we had people taking profits up here at 242, 242.50. We had a trader take profits as well, and just really ended up being a home run trade out of the gates. It was the only trade that I took this morning, was the only trade that I needed to secure that daily goal. And I'm excited to trade Baba again. Baba has been in such a funk lately. At one point, it was one of my favorite stocks to trade, and I feel like the momentum is back with Baba. So with that being said, please like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment below what was your trade of the day. Did you trade Baba? How did you trade it? What was your mindset going into it, and what are your expectations on it moving forward? Engage with us, guys. Like I said, share the video, like it, and we'll catch you all tomorrow. See ya.